Are you struggling over there?
I'm just painting my whole hand. Hi, I'm Donnie.
And I'm Ginny.
And we are
Hey Nice Nails. We are born and raised in Long Beach, California.
And that's where our shop is located. Our shop has been open for 9 years.
We specialize in gel nail art.
So we are sisters.
Yes. And business partners.
Yeah. We live together.
Yes.
We like each other.
Yeah. We actually like each other. So we just found out that the theme is tie-dye. This is gonna be really fun. I've got ideas.
I have some secrets up my sleeve with being a tie-dye master. I can teach a class on this, so hopefully you learn something. I'm just kind of winging it. No real plan. I thought I would put colors together, create a marble, a bullseye of colors, I would say, and then take it from there. I think I'm gonna do really well against my sister. I have the advantage that she's sleep deprived, being a new mom.
I definitely think that I'm gonna win against my sister. I think I have strategies in place. I brought 2 different types of like color palettes. I'm not really sure which one to do yet, but I'm thinking either like a neon tie-dye, like very hippie, very like half-baked, and then like a Japanese shibori. So I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do yet, but they both start with white. So it's like my first thing. It's just, let's get some white down. Nails seemed like a really fun hobby to do. I was always artistically driven, and it's something that feels connected to your body. So it's art plus a little bit of body modification and color, which is always really fun.
Been doing nails on and off, I would say, for 12 years. It all started as a hobby, just painting our own nails and documenting our journey through it on a Tumblr.
And through that, we wrote a book called Nail Candy.
And it was really great for us as an outlet because our mom was going through cancer treatments at the time. So it was kind of a great thing for us to mesh our relationship together. Let's see if this creates a cool color. Oh. I am very much a colorful person. I get really bored with bland colors, so I made it a point to dress in colors, color my hair. The happier the colors, the happier I am, I've noticed. Blowing myself away over here.
I think my most important brush today is going to be my cleanup brush. My personal style tends to be more black, more neutral. I like my nails to really stand out against what I'm wearing. So now that my nails are dry, I'm using blue polish and acetone to create like a messed up kind of marbly, squiggly indigo dye. That's the best thing about tie-dye is you really can't go wrong, whatever you're doing. I'm just tapping the acetone onto the blue.
I've been doing a lot of tie-dye this last season, not very much in nail polish. So this is a trial and error for me. So far, I think I'm doing really well. I'm anxious to see what Ginny's doing though.
I only have a couple nails done so far. A little bit worried, and I'm sticking to everything.
So far, 5 nails are done. A little sloppy, but from the distance, it looks perfect. But this dipping technique, I'm really surprised with how well it's working. I'm feeling very confident with what I've chosen, even though I just messed up my nail. I'm still very confident. My colors will win.
I'm just making some swirly patterns to make it look like real tie-dye. Feeling very confident about my first hand. I'm very excited to get to the second hand, although it is my right hand and that is a bit harder. I don't feel stressed about time. I think that because this is such a fluid art that we're doing, that it actually goes well for a really fast manicure. So I really like that even though I'm only using 2 colors, I'm getting a lot of like mid-tone blues just from like 2 colors blending together. How many polishes did you use, Donnie?
I used 9.
Dang.
Just a few. I definitely will not regret doing this. Come on, look at this. Oh.
I like this one. It looks like an eyeball. I think I'm done. I just need a top coat.
I'm just gonna do one final cleanup with the acetone. I can't wait for you to see mine.
I can't wait to see what she did.
Ready?
Yes, let me see.
Oh
Oh, look at how cool yours turned out. This, I'm getting like dreamy, melty cotton candy.
I'm really happy with how they turned out. They are a true reflection of me. I wasn't sure in the beginning, honestly. But I'm very happy.
Ooh, this one looks like flames.
Doesn't it?
Yeah,
I totally thought
that's
that.
cool.
The inspiration for my nails is flow art. Every time you do it, it's different. And that's why I love it, because I have a hard time doing the same thing twice.
I'm really super inspired by textile arts, and Japanese indigo dyeing is one of the oldest forms of textile arts with actual tie-dye. And the designs that we use today in tie-dye that's really popular, a lot of those come from Japan.
I'm getting kind of celestial, deep vortex vibes with this, but also kind of spotted frog.
Spotted frog. Yeah.
Don't you see some
You get an
spotted-
animal print in there?
I do. We normally do our own nails in gel, and doing nail polish, I found it to be a little bit more challenging because we're dealing with evaporation time. It has a life of its own. You can't really manipulate it as well as you would with gel. But I'm really happy with how both of our nails turned out, that we were able to create a clean canvas with nail polish. I still think mine are better.
Yeah. Yours are very you.
And yours are very you.
Yeah.
I think I won.
And I think I won, but you're the judge. So let us know who won and why in the comments below.
Thank you for watching Refinery29.
To watch more videos, click here. And to subscribe, click here.